to study about the new topic, that is earthquake. So what do you mean by earthquake? The earthquake is sudden movements or vibration which happens inside the earth. So this vibration, why it takes place? It takes place because of the endogenic forces. So earlier we have already studied that endogenic forces responsible for variety of movements which happens on the earth, the changes that we feel on the surface of the earth. So the movement of lithospheric plates. The movement of lithospheric plates causing the vibration on the surface of the earth, right? And these vibrations are called as earthquake. Now, for example, if you're keeping water on a pan and on the gas, right? And when the water starts boiling, what happens? We can see that when the bottom of the pan, the vibration takes place, right? And then we can see the water is moving on the above. So we can see the water is boiling. So this kind of movement happens under the water, right? Same way, the under the earth surface also takes place the vibration which results in the shaking or the vibration of the things above the earth. So this is said to as a earthquake. So these vibrations take place due to the movements of the lithospheric plates. These vibrations take place due to the movement of the lithospheric plates, right? So these lithospheric plates, when it moves, we feel the vibration and it is called as an earthquake. So it creates a seismic waves. Now the earthquake also creates a seismic waves which starts spreading, and it keeps on spreading more as the earthquake occurs. Now earthquake when takes place, we have certain two terminologies which we should know, like focus and epicenter. What is focus? Now it is a place where the origin of the earthquake starts. It means the point where the earthquake begins. That is called as focus. Now, what is epicenter? The place on the surface just above the focus. The place on the surface just above the focus is called as a epicenter, right? For example, when we draw a 90-degree angle, right? It is straight angle, right? So the where we mark as an angle as 90 degree, consider that as a focus, right? And just above where we are drawing a line to make a 90 degree, that above surface is called as a epicenter. So same way, when under the earth surface there is a point called focus where the earthquake vibration starts. When the earthquake vibration starts there, it affects the area just above it, which is called as an epicenter. And there only the maximum damage takes place. So when the earthquake occurs, the maximum area which is near to the epicenter, areas which are located to the epicenter, those places will experience the maximum damage and destruction during the earthquake. And also we have three types of waves, seismic waves or the earthquake waves, which results in the intensity of the damage. We have P waves, S waves and L waves. P waves are the longitudinal waves, S waves are the shear secondary transverse waves, and L waves are surface waves, and they are the largest on the surface area. So the intensity of the damage or any destruction of the surface caused by the kind of wave which has occurred during the vibration or earthquake. Now further, we cannot predict the earthquake. Like climatologists predicts the weather, climate, sunny, rainy or winter or autumn or whatever, right? Or we have a rain or cyclone, but earthquake cannot be predicted. So how can we protect ourselves during the earthquake? So we need to have a preparedness. So let us see a next slide for that.
Earthquake preparedness. During sudden tremors, try to take shelter under the wooden table or desk or at the corner of the wall. Stay away from the fireplaces, including windows' glass panes. Avoid the usage of lift to come out from the buildings and use stairs to come out. And also spread awareness amongst family members and friends to face any disaster with courage. An earthquake is measured with a machine called seismograph. The magnitude of the earthquake is measured on the scale called Richter scale. An earthquake around 7.0 magnitude is a major and can cause maximum destruction. Therefore, earthquake cannot be predicted, but it can be reduced or precautions can be taken in order to minimize its damage.